How does kinetic energy work and how is it harnessed in the latest wireless smart switch systems? As a team at Bright Spark Electrical Services, we're going to give you a little bit more information about this. It represents a major leap forward in sustainability and convenience. Wireless kinetic switches operate by kinetic energy generated from just pressing a button to send a signal to a receiver, which then activates the connected device, lights or an appliance. The kinetic energy from the action of pressing the button powers the transmission of the signal, eliminating the need for batteries or wiring. This innovative technology offers a convenient and energy-efficient solution for controlling various devices in a wireless manner. With kinetic switching, you can have a separate switch which is mounted on a self-adhesive pad, and you can stick it on your walls, so avoids any cutting out of walls to mount a switch in the wall. Or you can stick it on a cupboard, underneath the cupboard. The switches, that type of switch is available, and we can actually mount them outside, and they're waterproof. So if you've got a garden cabin, you can have it on the outside of the cabin and it's totally waterproof. Alternatively, instead of having the paddle type switch, which is self-adhesive, you can also have the switches built into existing light switches. So if you've a light switch already in place which controls the main light in a room, for example the kitchen lights, but you still wish to have switches to control the dining room lights or a peninsula type light or island type light, we can build into that switch plate separate switches. There are a number of manufacturers that have the switch plates available so they match your existing switching. So there's no need to worry about having to cut out walls even further. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.